Hi, my name is Iqmalyatul Akmi bin Mahidi and you can call me Iqmal.
Hi, my name is Numpang Alexander. You can call me Aubrey.
Hi, my name is Hafiz bin Yusof. You can call me Hafiz.
Hi guys, my name is Mohd and you guys can call me Hafiz.
English is the most used and spoken language around the world. Before that, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Noor Iqmalyatul Akmi bin Mahidi. As we know that learning English nowadays is very important in our daily lives, especially when we are communicate with people who use English as an intermediate language. However, the majority of people nowadays are afraid to learn English languages due to fear of being mistakes, such as when speaking in English. You are halfway through a sentence in English. All of a sudden, you realize that you need a specific word. You know what you want to say, but you have no ideas on how to say it in English. The only way to overcome it is with consistent English vocabulary practice. So, not sure which app to start with? Let me show you the e-learning application that we choose, which is Improve English Vocabulary Grammar Flashcards. This application is created from a website so-called Nudge Me, which is an award-winning Google Play Best of 2017 apps. As an evidence, there were 3 millions of people installed these apps, and one of the most highest rate in the Play Store, which is 4.8 out of 5. For your information, these apps can be used in any platform such as Android, iOS, Windows, and even Linux devices, so we can access the app anywhere and anytime we want to. Didn't know how to use these apps? Don't worry, we have Aubrey and Haris to give a demonstration on how to use these apps.
Hey guys, Haris here. Thank you Iqmal for the introduction. So, now I will explain to you guys how this app can help you to improve your English skills. Without further ado, let's get started. Here, how to use this app. First, we need to open it and click get start. And you can see here, we need to sign up with Facebook or Google account. Here I will sign up with my Google account. So as we can see here, there are a few types of levels: easy, intermediate, and advanced. You can choose based on your own levels. If you're not sure what types of your levels, then I suggest you to go with easy one first. So here I will go to easy one. Click start. In here, a lot of things that can help you to improve your English skills. But first, I will show you guys the game that we can play in here. Let's see all, and you can see a lot of game in here. But up here, the game will help you to improve your reading skill. But if you scroll down, you can see other game can help you to improve your writing skill. But now, I will choose the reading game. So I will select this one and click start. This game will give you the essay that you need to read. You can take your time to read this essay, but your time will be recorded up here. After you're done reading, select begin. You have to answer this question, and you can check your answer after you've done it. The next one, if you want to improve your speaking skills, you guys need to go to the journey, and you can see a lot of lessons that can help you to improve your speaking skill here. You guys can choose whatever you like, and that's all for me. Next, I will give to Ubre.
So I'm Aubrey that I'm going to show you how to use Nash apps. First we enter the apps. Then there are a lot of things that you can do with these apps to improve your English. But I'm going to tell you how to improve your listening and writing. There are a lot of courses in these apps such as grammar, which is prepositions, conjunctions, punctuation, question tags, comparative and superlative, articles, proverbs, pronouns, nouns, conditional, linking word and phrases, adjective, business vocabulary, collocations, and other courses like directions and writing emails. There are some they recommended for you like this, and there are games for you to play, which is also to improve your English. Okay, let's go to this vocabulary builder. There are some goals that you need to complete. Okay, from first, here is the words that you should know. We can
Update.
we can
Update.
we can press this button so they can pronounce it for us. So it to improve our listening skills. And there are the meaning of these words. Sorry. There are a lot of new words.
Aberrant.
So we can go through this. There are a lot of words here. Then okay, this is the Notch Pro, the Pro version. The Pro version have more benefits, which is increase our daily usage limits, increase card notification and frequency, challenge your reading speed and retention, interactive mini courses designed to master concept faster, get better at English grammar, attach positive or negative connotation to words, learning common phrasal words, challenge your vocabulary, practice reading comprehension to improve speed and accuracy, improve your spelling skills, research courses you have already begun or completed, and they're starting with 250 extra credits. But you have to purchase it. For monthly, it's 39 ringgit Malaysian. Annually, it will be 149 ringgit Malaysian. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Aubrey and Haris, for the marvelous explanation about the features. I'm Mama Hafiz and I will talk about the recommendation. Now guys, do you know why this app is the best app you should use to learn English? No? So then I will explain it to you. If we compare it with another app such as Cake, Learn app it for free, which is an app available for Android and iOS. It does not have many features like our app. For example, Cake's app only focus on speaking and reading, and its lack of grammar exercise. But for our app, it has many exercises that can improve your grammar, vocal vocabulary, synonyms, nouns, choice of words, spelling, reading skills, idioms, writing skills like writing an email, or improve your reading speed and accuracy. Furthermore, if you are bored for some reason, this app contains many games as you are able to entertain you. At the same time, your English skill will be improved. It's like killing two birds with one stone. In fact, there will be a scoreboard to calculate your progress learning so you can keep on track of your progress. In addition, there is a revision quiz feature that you can use to test your English skill when you are ready. So by doing this, you will be more confident by using English language. So this has proven that this app is better than other apps because it has many features. That's all from me. After this, Iqmal will give the conclusions. Thank you.
People keep asking us, why should I learn English? Why should you learn English? So, the good answer is English will open up more opportunities, especially for students. Being able to speak English allows you to communicate effectively in numerous countries. Other than that, you won't have to worry about getting lost when you travel to an English speaking country, as you will easily be able to ask for direction and taking guided tours, ordering food, and chatting the locals will no longer be a source of stress. So, in a conclusion, if you are an English beginner, then we recommend you to start from these apps. There are various benefits that we can get while we use these applications. For instance, number 1, interactive mini courses give us a better understanding of English concepts. Number 2, interactive word games help us to improve our vocabulary, grammar, dictation, pronunciation, comprehension, and so on. Number 3, pronunciation games in that apps help us to improve listening and speaking skills. And last but not least, it is helpful for students who want to achieve a good score in exam like TOEFL. So, what are you waiting for? Just let you discover a fun way to learn English by using these apps.